Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Ceant. As you can see in the title guys, this is going to be my first video ever, and this is going to be a quick little tutorial on how you can put your nails right in the comfort of your house. And quick disclaimer, I'm not a certified or a professional on doing this guys. I just love experiencing new horizons, and I would like to take you with me guys and show you how I do in my house. You can also do it if you would like, and without further ado guys, here we go, how you can glam your nails in your house.
So there you go guys. So what we are going to use for this project today, first off, is the nail tips. So I have the clear one because it's easy to work with, a nail glue to stick them on, nail polish that is like your preferences. It could be several, so I'm going to use only one of them because I'm looking for one nude color because it kind of matches the color of my skin. We are going to use a nail, like a top coat, for more security, a nail file for shape and style, and last but not least, we are going to use clippers guys. So as you can see, I have two different type of clippers because I'm going to be using this nail. It's really challenging, but I'm going to show you what we can come up with this kind of nail. So basically what we just do, we just follow the sizes of the nails and our fingers, and it does not come with an instruction book like 10 pages to 30 pages. You just follow the sizes. Sometimes they come with numbers and sometimes not, and you just follow your nails guys. So basically what you just do, you just take a little bit of glue, and you put like a little bit on the nail, not a lot, to be like messy, just a little bit. And then the next step, you just take it and put it on your nail, like pin it on your nail, and then press it down. I will always like suggest you to do it like for 10 to 15 seconds. Okay, so now we're going to the clip part. I love mine like a little bit short, not very long, and I like working like playing with the shape. So you can leave it this way if you would like guys. It's your preferences guys. So I just clip down to my length, and then we're going to the file, my favorite part. Perfect. Now that we have them clipped down, we are just going to the shape. So the shape, again, as I say, for the clip part, it's optional. You just go to the shape you like. I love like the V shape, so I'm going to file down the edges and like the top, and then I love filing down the bottom because as it goes to your cuticle, and I love filing down so it can look like it's my real nail, so people will not really say that that girl has fake nail, because it comes straight from my cuticle, and it goes home naturally guys. So this is how I do it. Perfect. Now that we have them all shaped down, we are going to paint. And this is my favorite part, guys. I love painting a lot. So you just paint them like your regular nail, guys. It's like following the same method that you use for your natural nails, the regular nails, guys. You just paint them I'm going to use like a method I saw on YouTube, guys, and that was from Amber Show. I love her so much, guys. So I'm gonna use like the method, like the red bottom, even though mine is not like really weird, but I just wanted to use the method and see how it was going to look, because I always use this method but with the same color of my nail. As you can see, I did in my pinky finger, guys. So I'm gonna see if that one is gonna look good on me. I'm gonna show you guys, and if you want, you can do it the way you want. It's your nail, it's your creativity. Just follow your heart, and after painting, you will pretty much ready to go to walk your nails in the walls. Perfect, guys. So, as I said earlier, a little bit more security never hurts anyone. So, now I'm just securing my nails with the top coat. Now it's coming out pretty shiny. I love it. It's like a gloss on it. So, as you see, guys, it was very easy, fun, cheap, fast, all the good qualities, all the good stuff, and right in the comfort of your house, guys. If you want to do it, you can go ahead and do it. Go ahead and do it, guys. It's really easy. There's no fear in doing it. So it will come out just exactly how you want it to come out. If it does not come out the way you want, you can do it again until it comes exactly the perfect way you would like it to be. So I hope you liked and enjoyed the video, and thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.